Hello students, how are you? So today we are going to start the online video teaching. So this is the first lesson of 12th Computer Science Revision Tour. I hope you will enjoy it. So first of all we will discuss the features of Python. As you know that the Python is very easy language due to its syntax rules. They are very simple syntax. It is interpreted language. As you know that there are two types of compiler. One is basically there are two type of languages, and it is a cross platform language. Means it can be run on any platform, on any operating system. It is very expressive language. It is complete due to its wide range of library, even though the libraries are not too much, and it is the free and open source. It can be downloaded freely. Now there are few shortcomings. Like number one, it has the lesser libraries as compared to other languages. It is slow language. As you know that it is the interpreted language. An interpreter is slow as compared to the compiler, and it is weak on type bindings. So it is not pinpoint on use of the single variable for different data types. Now, the first of all, we will learn how to work in the Python. As you know that it works in the two modes. First is interactive mode and another one is script mode. Now, how does it work in the interactive mode? When we open the Python, it by default opens in the interactive mode like this mode. Fine. Means whatever I will write over the prompt, like I like the print hello. Now it will give the instant result. Now here I can't write the complete program, or it is not suggested. Now another one is second type is the script mode. Now in script mode we write inside a file, control N, the new file will be opened, and in that file I will write the Python code like this: print kb number 1, and I will save the file with .py extension, my .py, and when I will run it using the F5, it will show the output. So this is the script mode. Generally we use write the program in the script mode. Now this is the script mode. You have to run your module with the help of function key. Thank you very much.